Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you how to deploy your Fabric version 2 smart contract on IBM Blockchain Platform. So let's get into our IBM Cloud. Um, let's log in here and get an idea of what we have created so far. Alright, so we're on our dashboard right now, and just to give you an idea what we have so far, we created a Kubernetes cluster. We also set up the blockchain configuration, the 7 steps to blockchain configuration, and right now we're going to see how we're going to load out our smart contract onto IBM Cloud. Alright, so our blockchain is actually called Blockchain Platform 8E. So later on, when we are over at our VS Code, we will need to look for that. Alright, so I'm going to add in our new environment for 8E. So let's go here. Yes, we are. And we're going to choose the 8E one. it shall be. So we're going to choose everything and we click OK. Alright, so we need to set up the environment for all of these. Alright, so let's go with the order CA. Let's see, let's add a new wallet. There's a few here actually. Okay, let's go order CA, add a new wallet, and let's create a new wallet. 8E, order CA. Let's add a new identity, MSP ID. Now if you can't remember what you have used before, you can always go back to, okay, so you can find that under your order MSP and you click on your order and you can get your order MSP over here. So that would be it. Let's go to VS Code again. So you can enter that order MSP and choose JSON, browse, go to wallet, order MSP. No. Alright, so next we do order as well. I want to think of another name such that I don't let me think. Double. Okay, so let's do underscore one order. Okay, so hopefully that will work. Let's add an identity, browse for the order. Let's go and put my order MSP. No. Let's do org1 CA. Okay, add new wallet, create new wallet, 8E underscore 1 or RG1 CA. MSP ID, that would be org1 MSP. Let's put a JSON file. Wallets org1. I'm going to put it with CA. No. Okay, so next, RG2, add new wallet. Create a new wallet. Name of the wallet, org2. Okay, I'm sorry, should be 8e underscore 1 org2ca. So add identity, MSP ID, org2 MSP. Okay. JSON file for auth2ca. I'm gonna find my auth2ca admin. Okay, no, that's pure one. Sorry, add new wallet, create new wallet. Okay, so name of the wallet would be 8e underscore 1, pure1 org1, pure1 org1. Add identity, JSON file, browse. Okay, wallet, org1 MSP admin. No, pure1 org2, add new wallet, create new wallet. Name of the wallet, I will have it as 8e underscore 1 pure1 org2. Alright, enter, we add an identity, provide JSON file, browse. Let's go down to the wallet, and we have org MSP.2, and I think we are done. At least I hope so. Okay, we're connected, and it seems like they're running some test to make sure everything's going fine. Alright, so now that we have our blockchain connection right now, let's try to load our smart contract. Okay, so we can get to my channel. We can also look at the loads as well as so we have all the nodes here, and then we can also view our organizations. Alright, so let's deploy smart contract. Okay. Alright, so let's choose one that is contract, and we choose the latest one, which is 012. So let's open that. Alright, let's go next, and then let's deploy. So as you can see down here is installing the smart contract. Okay, so it's successfully installed on pure1 org1. And now we are instantiating a smart contract. So it loads like alright, so let's see if we can find our gateway. So we need the connection profile, or we can connect from a Fabric environment. So let's connect from a Fabric environment, and let's choose our 8e. So it's going to try to connect, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it asks for the organization, so we're going to do ORG1 MSP. Certificate authority, that will be ORG1CA. And where are we? There we are. We have liftoff. So we can click on this, and it's going to try to connect. And we are able to access the contract on ORG1. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do an init ledger. So let's try this out. What it does is it does this initial population of the database with just 3 records. So let's do a submit. Oh, before we do that, let's take a look at our blockchain. Let's go to the channel, and let's go to my channel. So the block height is 4 now. When we first started out, it was around 3. So apparently when we start with the smart contract, increase the height. So when we run our next transaction, we can see what changes here. Alright, so let's submit transaction. Alright, so it looks like it's successfully transmitted. Okay, so let's go back to our IBM platform, and let's take a look again at the height. It should be, any guesses what it's going to be? 5. Alright, so what we can do is we can take a look at the transaction overview, and it just tells me that we have just created a new transaction, and it's at 12:16 a.m. So we can click on this to see the details of the transaction, and you can see all the data that's been written in the smart contract. So alright, okay, so let's go back to this. Okay, there's a few things I want to show you. So you can run all the programs that it's meant here. We can also like read all documents and whatever that we have here. Let's do an evaluate, and then it's going to return everything that we have just did from the init ledger. Alright, so okay,